Let's set the stage. The real estate market has its cycles, its trends, its hype trains. But every now and then, a sector emerges that isn't just promising, it's inevitable. That's what we have right now in senior housing. The demand is skyrocketing, the supply is stalling, and the opportunity is sitting there, waiting for the right investors to take action.
Go!
Forget everything you've heard about real estate investing. Senior housing isn't just another niche. It's the most overlooked gold mine of the decade. And right now, the smartest investors are quietly locking in deals while everyone else is distracted. Now, before we break down how you can capitalize on this, let me introduce myself because if you're about to take real estate advice, you should probably know who's giving it to you. So, just in case it's crossed your mind, I'm Cornell, and for over 2 decades, long decades, I've been in the trenches of commercial real estate as a broker, appraiser, investor, and consultant, winning deals, losing gobs of sleep, and learning lessons most investors pay dearly for. And now, in classic Cornell fashion, I'm here to cut through the fluff, share the raw truths, and hand you the insider strategies that will make you a sharper, more profitable investor, in my opinion. So, did you know that in 2030, the number of Americans over 80 will exceed the entire population of New York State? That's nearly 19 million people, and we are far from ready. Senior housing development has struggled to recover from the pandemic with rising costs and interest rates, forcing many developers to pause construction. But this slowdown has opened an incredible window for investors who act now.
Go!
And here's why this matters to you. A rising senior population means higher demand, fewer vacancies, and stronger returns. So this isn't just about market growth, it's about securing assets that will appreciate steadily over time. Eric Morton, the CEO of NICMAP, says that the senior housing industry needs to build double the number of units every year just to keep up with demand. Yet, we're falling behind. So this isn't just a gap, it's a growing crisis and an unmatched investment opportunity that could future-proof your portfolio. And here's the transition. If demand is rising this fast, who's already moving? Let's talk about Welltower and Ventas, two of the biggest players in senior housing. Both are publicly traded real estate investment trusts, REITs, with Welltower backed by institutional investors like BlackRock and Vanguard, and Ventas supported by similar large-scale asset managers. While they attract capital from major institutional funds, they are not owned by private equity firms or family offices. This matters because their investments reflect long-term confidence from the biggest players in global finance, not just private wealth. These aren't just real estate giants. They represent deep capital reserves and strategic foresight. With over $6 billion invested this year in prime retiree markets like Florida, Arizona, states favored for their tax benefits, their warm weather, and retiree amenities, they are setting the tone for where the smart money is heading. Listen, aging is inevitable. Demand is guaranteed. And these markets are where the most strategic investments are being made right now.
Go!
Now, before we segue and dive into Dr. Alex Shaw's story, let's connect the dots. Welltower and Ventas show us where big institutional money is going. But what about the individual investors like you?
Yeah.
That's where Dr. Shaw's journey fits in perfectly. An Air Force doctor turned investor. He didn't wait.
Well, what did he do, Cornell?
Well, what he did was he converted single-family homes into senior living spaces, small, comfortable, and highly profitable. Each home generates anywhere between $3,000 and $5,000 per month in cash flow. Why does that matter to you? Because it shows that even with rising costs, smart strategies can lead to massive returns.
Wow!
One standout deal, an 8-bedroom home in Arizona purchased for $740,000 with only 6% down, now bringing in $7,900 a month and netting $2,700 monthly. That's a 77% annual return, which is like buying a single rental property and earning enough in a year to buy another property of similar value. It proves that the right moves in senior housing can be a game changer for your portfolio. According to Green Street, a leading real estate analytics firm known for its deep market insights and trusted data, senior housing prices are 20 to 30% below pre-pandemic levels, making acquisitions incredibly attractive. And that's not just a number, that's your signal. Imagine walking into a room full of discounted luxury items, but the doors are about to open to the entire crowd. As soon as interest rates drop, competition will flood in, driving prices up. So the time to act is now. We're already short 1 million senior housing beds, with projections reaching 1.3 million by 2030. And as the great Warren Buffett once said, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. This shortage isn't just a statistic, it's scarcity creating urgency, like finding seats on a lifeboat when the ship is sinking. Those who act now secure their spot and their returns. And you know what? Luxury senior housing is also booming. Picture high-end facilities with rooftop gardens, spa services, gourmet dining, and cutting-edge health tech. Seniors want more than a room, they want a lifestyle. So investors who deliver this are already winning. Now, back to Dr. Shao, because Dr. Shao's strategy is simple but powerful. Direct mail campaigns to senior housing operators, partnerships with experienced brokers, and creative financing through seller financing and SBA loans. While others wait, he is friggin' scaling. Just so you know, this can be done anywhere, but smart investors are targeting retiree hotspots like Florida, Texas, and Arizona. They're partnering with operators who know how to run these homes efficiently, ensuring high occupancy and steady cash flow. So, picture yourself in 2030, off into the future, walking through your fully occupied senior housing property. Rents have risen 40% by then, and your monthly cash flow exceeds your expectations. This is not just a dream, it's a reality for those who act now. So, here's how you can win now. I personally know of, it's not mine, but I know of a shovel-ready senior living project, fully permitted and ready to go. Or if you'd like to talk about this a little more and you have the capital and the drive, I'll be your bird dog, finding top senior housing deals and delivering them to you straight to your desk. No fluff, no wasted time, just results. So, if I were you, I'd book a 30-minute call with me on Calendly. And let's make it happen. The best opportunities are already being taken, so don't get left behind. And let's be very honest about this. While everyone else debates the market over endless coffee chat, the real players are quietly making moves. Senior housing isn't the latest TikTok trend. It's where the boring, smart money is going. Because while trends fade, people age, and they need somewhere to live, whether the rest of the market is paying attention or not. Now, I challenge you. Don't just sit there and watch. Take action. You can do so by booking your 30-minute call, and let's find the right senior housing deal for you. And if you're ready to dive deeper, watch my next video for more insights that could shape your next big move. Peace.